Sure, I can help you with that. Switzerland is a beautiful country with many scenic cities that are perfect for walking tours. Here are 5 of the biggest cities in Switzerland that you can explore on foot. Zurich is the largest city in Switzerland and is known for its rich heritage and historic value. You can explore the city's contemporary, vibrant culture, historical monuments, food, and more on foot. Some of the places you can visit include Zurich downtown, Paradeplatz Square, Frauenmünster Church, Lindenhof, Langstrasse, ETH Campus, Lake Zurich and Berkelplatz, Kunsthaus Zurich, Limmerquai and the Rathaus 1. Geneva is a beautiful city located on the shores of Lake Geneva. You can explore the city's rich history and culture by walking through its charming streets and visiting its many museums and galleries. Some of the places you can visit include the Palace of Nations, St. Pierre Cathedral, Jet d'Eau Fountain, and the Old Town too. Bern is the capital city of Switzerland and is known for its medieval architecture and charming streets. You can explore the city's many historic landmarks on foot, including the Zickglogge Clock Tower, Bern Minster Cathedral, and the Bear Pit 3. Lucerne is a picturesque city located in central Switzerland. You can explore the city's charming streets and historic landmarks on foot, including Chapel Bridge, Lion Monument, Jesuit Church, Spreuer Bridge, and Museum Wall 4. Basel is a beautiful city located on the banks of the Rhine River. You can explore the city's many museums and galleries on foot, including Kunstmuseum Basel, Foundation Baylor Museum, Tingley Museum Basel, Basel Paper Mill Museum, and Museum of Contemporary Art Basel 5. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.